I will show you how to make a fake live edge river coffee table for under $50. Are you ready? Let's go. We start this build off with an oak slab. I routed it flat with the router sled and a slab flattening bit I bought on AliExpress. I made a video where I test this bit, which only cost me $5, shipping included. We square the slab using the track saw. Though it's a live edge table, it's best to make the sides square to one end of the table. I draw the river I want on the table with a pencil. Make sure to also include the sides of the table. After this, I use the router to route out the river. Clean it up with a chisel so that there won't be any wood chips in the river after pouring. Because this is a fake river table, you also have to route out the sides going down from the river. Clean this up with a chisel as well. I cover the cracks on the underside of the table with packaging tape. Make sure you cover all the cracks. Spelling epoxy is a shame since it's so expensive to buy. For the cracks on the table, I use epoxy with a black pigment. Filling cracks with black pigment is a great way to keep the natural look of the crack, because it seems to look like a shadow. After this, we pour the epoxy in the river, which is colored by blue and white metallic pigment. "84 hours later, the epoxy is cured and you can take the slab out of the mold. Back to the router sled again. Using the router sled at this point ensures the table is flat again after pouring. Use a track saw to clean up the sides again. Now the gruesome task of sanding the table. I started with 60 grit, working my way up to 2000 grit. Make sure to use some water when sanding with the higher grits. It keeps the epoxy from burning and keeps your sanding pads clean. Best part of anything woodworking related is finishing. The finish I put on this table is Ruston's Danish oil. And there you have it, a cheap, fake live edge river table. You save money on the epoxy, which is the most expensive of a table build, because you don't have to pour the whole river, just the part you routed. If you got any suggestions on this video, put them in the comment section below. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to my channel. I make more videos like this one. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up.